Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Asma and you're watching this video from English with Asma Shahzadi. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some productive tips for learning a new vocab. I have heard from many people nowadays they are facing this problem. They know how to learn, or sometimes they do not even know how to learn that vocab. Even some of them after learning that vocab, they do not know how to use that. So I'm not gonna just give you some tips, but also gonna share with you my real experience which I had. So let's jump to the session. The first question is, what are some tips for learning a new vocabulary? The answer is, first of all, you need to choose a vocab which you want to learn, whether you have heard that vocab in any movie or you have watched or you have learned from some people. So after choosing that vocab, you need to know the meaning of that. Maybe you are searching the meaning of that vocab in your mother tongue or any language which you know. Actually, this is the most big problem or big challenge which people are facing nowadays. So, as far as I am concerned about this topic, you do not need to learn or to know the meaning of that vocab in your mother tongue. Try to learn, or try to search that vocab or the meaning of that in English language. By searching that in English language, what will happen? You will get to know other synonyms of that vocab, as well as you will get to know how to use that vocab, like what is the process. If you don't know where to search or from whom you can ask, there are many applications. By using those, you can search easily. Even I will suggest you to go to the Google application, or you can ask from ChatGPT. So when you get to know the meaning of that vocab, when you get to know how to use, in which situation you can use, after that you need to do one thing, which is to write in your notebook. Because if you write in your notebook, so you can read that notebook again and again. Sometimes it happens when we learn a new vocab, after learning we just forget and we do not know which we have learned. So it is not up to the mark at all. Just try to write that vocab into your notebook. It will take only few seconds. Do not just write that vocab, but also try to write the meaning as well as just write an example. After writing, you need to use that vocab in your daily conversation. If you just forget when to use or in which situation you use, I have a great tip for you. Just try to make an example, and in that example use that word which you have learned. For example, you learn the vocab remarkable. Now make one example. For instance, she speaks English remarkably well. Now try to use this sentence at least 3 times in a day when you are having a conversation. So after using at least 6 to 7 times, in your mind you will have automatically that vocab. So now start using or making other sentences by using that vocab, as we were learning that vocab how to use remarkable. You may make different examples for remembering that vocab. For instance, you may say, she She has a remarkable talent for singing. She has a remarkable sense of humor. The company has made remarkable progress. She has a remarkable ability to connect with different people. He has a remarkable memory for name and face. She has a remarkable talent for storytelling. The hotel has a remarkable facility. That place was fully remarkable. Or I had a remarkable conversation with her. So, did you just notice how many examples I have made to learn just a one vocab? Did you just notice, guys, that I made a mistake in the last sentence of mine? If you have caught, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's jump to the session. Now, after making many examples over just one word, you have memorized how to use that vocab, and in any situation, if you want to use, your mind will automatically tell you. So, in this way, you can learn a new vocab. In short, I can say, first learn the meaning of that sentence, then make one example, use that example again and again. After that, write it into your notebook. Then make those examples different types of in your daily conversation. And the thing which I just forgot to let you know, do not forget to check the pronunciation of that vocab, because if you don't know how to pronounce, so it will become more difficult for you to use that. Even people will not be able to understand you. So I hope that you have gotten some remarkable points to use that vocab. And the last but not the least thing which I would like to tell you, that is to teach someone else what you have learned. Share with your friend, explain to your family member, teach a child, or you just simple may create a story. For instance, just imagine that you don't have anyone with whom or to whom you can teach. So in that situation, make a video, record yourself, record your voice, teaching new vocabulary words. So guys, it's all for today, and I really hope so that after watching this video and after acting upon it, you won't face any problem related to learn a new vocab or how you can use. So yeah, Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your special prayers. Fi Amana. Take care of yourself.